Hello, this is Wendy from Wendy's Wellness Clinic. As a Liberating Touch facilitator, the following process is my absolute favorite for connecting and aligning with the higher self. And I thoroughly recommend that you do this process before proceeding onto any of the other videos on this channel. First, sit down on the ground or in a chair or in any position that allows you to feel comfortable. Place your right hand above the left hand in a cupped position, palms facing upwards with your hands resting on your lap. Now, close your eyes and focus on your breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Visualize your body as hollow. Imagine now that liquid white light is entering the soles of your feet. As the level of the liquid light rises up from the soles of your feet to your ankles, both your feet are now filled with light and all the muscles in your feet are completely relaxed. Visualize the liquid white light rising up from your ankles into your calves, so that both your calves are now filled with light and all the muscles in your calves are completely relaxed. Visualize the light now entering your knees and thighs so that both your knees and thighs are now filled with light and all the muscles in your knees and thighs are completely relaxed. Visualize the light now entering your bottom groin and waist so that your bottom groin and waist are now filled with light and all the muscles in your bottom groin and waist are completely relaxed. Visualize the light now entering your belly so that your belly is now filled with light and all the muscles in your belly are completely relaxed. Visualize the light now entering the whole of your back and your chest so that the whole of your back and chest is now completely filled with light and all the muscles in your back and chest are completely relaxed. Visualize the light now entering both your shoulders so that both your shoulders are now filled with light and all the muscles in your shoulders are completely relaxed. Visualize the light now entering your arms and hands so that both your arms and hands are now filled with light and all the muscles in both arms and hands are completely relaxed. Visualize the light now entering your neck and throat so that your neck and throat are now filled with light and all the muscles in your neck and throat are completely relaxed. Visualize the light now entering your jaws, cheeks and mouth so that your jaws, cheeks and mouth are now filled with light and all the muscles in your jaws, cheeks and mouth are completely relaxed. Visualize the light now entering your eye and scalp so that your eyes, forehead and scalp are now filled with light. Your whole body is filled with light and your body is completely relaxed. As you become more and more relaxed, find yourself going deeper and deeper within, floating very gently, just like a feather, to the very center or core of your being. When you reach the very core of your being, imagine a vast space around you. And in this vast space, you will find the tree. This tree is the symbol of the higher self. The tree has many different color ribbons flowing down from the branches to the ground. Pick any one of the colored ribbon that catches your eyes, reach out, take it in your hands and give it a gentle tug. When you tug on the ribbon, feel the resistance coming from the branch of the tree where it is attached. When you feel this resistance, know that you are connected to your higher self. Visualize yourself going up to the tree and stand or sit with your back against its trunk, knowing it will support you. Really relax against the tree and start to identify the tree. Visualizing, moving down into the root system, really connecting down into Mother Earth. And again, reaching up as the tree does with its branches and leaves towards the sun. Just pause for a while as you sit back and feel the support from the tree, the higher self. And now, after having felt the unconditional support of the tree against your back, I want you to focus now on what are you experiencing in your body. Is it aching? Is there pain? Is there tension somewhere? Next, I want you to focus on what am I feeling? What is the quality of your emotional energy? What are you feeling at the moment? Perhaps anxious, anger, sadness, joy, love, unlove. Just spend a moment now focusing on what you are feeling. Next, I would like you to focus on your mental energy. What are you currently thinking? What thoughts are whizzing by? What are you currently thinking? Finally, I would like you to spend a moment to concentrate on the quality of your breath. Take a few breaths in and out. Is it shallow? Is it fast? Is it labored? It is now time to end this process of connecting and aligning with the higher self. So I'd like you to thank the higher self. Start to wiggle your toes and fingers. Come back into the room or the environment, wherever it is that you are sitting, on whatever day of the year, at whatever time it is. Open your eyes. Now's a great time to write down any insights or anything that you feel that you would like to work with today, and you can use this now as a springboard to any of the other videos currently on my channel. Thank you.